Hi there, I'm here standing at Aquamiel. It's a single-story home in Rancho Bernardo. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, over 2,210 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths with an office space. It backs up to a nice canyon with a nice view. Come on in. We have double door entry here. Nice fireplace. Your bedrooms are going to be here on the left side. This is bedroom 1. Bedroom 2 shares the bathroom, and here's your primary in here. Your primary, nice vaulted ceiling, double sinks. It's a nice jacuzzi tub as well as a large shower. And then this is the walk-in closet. This house was built in 1991. Dual pane windows, plantation shutters, coat closet here. Here's your large office space / den or recreational room. And this opens out to the back. But let's go this way to take a look at the kitchen first. It's a nice vaulted ceiling here. Kitchen over here. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Real wood cabinets. We have a gas stove here, which is rare in Rancho Bernardo. And then we also have a 2.5-car garage here. Okay, washer and dryer.
Is that the garage?
The garage, okay. And this is going to be your family room, or piano room, whatever you want to designate this room for. A nice, large backyard with a built-in barbecue. So, this is your view. There's a trail back there, as you can see. Very low maintenance backyard. This is the magnolia tree here. It's gonna bloom in the summer. It's gonna look really nice. Hydrangeas. Oh, we have some roses there. And this is artificial turf. And we have a citrus tree. This is your dock run here. Well, there you go. It's south facing, so you get plenty of sunlight from the east over. It's currently being priced at $1,000,000 down to the trail. Did you show them? Concrete roof. Double door patio door to the courtyard on this side as well as the den across from you. Okay, there you have it. It's your formal dining area. And then you can also do a breakfast nook here if you want, like a small breakfast table here, or not. This is where your laptop goes. This is your pantry. There you have it. There's extra room here if you want to add another pantry there. But yeah, I like it. Some of the windows are fogged. The sellers are going to replace it. I think almost all of them. So you don't have to worry about that. So there you have it. I think this is a great house. It's in a great location. Let me show you the rest of the street so you can see. Some of the homes here were burnt down during the fire and got rebuilt. But every house here has very nice curb appeal. So nice. Look at all the homes here. Anyways, I highly recommend. You can offer. We also have a